Hello student, today our topic is percentage. So we learn more about the percentage. Actually today we discuss on this topic. The first topic is to convert the percent into fraction. First we convert the percent into the fraction, and second convert fraction into percent, and this third topic is to convert a percent into decimal. And similarly the topic is written here, one by one we discuss. And first of all we see what is percent, as the name of percent is percent. So percent is mixture of two words. When the two words join, per and cent, so it become percentage. Percent, actually what is percent? So per means for every, and cent means century. You know century? Century means 100. Century means 100. So out of 100 any number is given, so we consider that is that percent. For example 5%. So 5%, percent means out of 100. How many percent? Which number is out of 100? So 5. So we write 5% means 5 out of 100. So percent is out of 100. Percent is nothing. Percent is a fraction in which the denominator is always 100. Percent is a fraction in which the denominator is always 100. Consider x percent. So it means x out of 100. Percent means we can convert always percent in a fraction in which the 100 is always denominator. So we solve these topics, how we convert the percent into the fraction. So this is percent and this is fraction. We always convert the percent into the fraction. So which type of fraction we get ultimately when we convert percent? Consider 25%. So 25% means 25 out of 100. 25 out of 100. So this is decimal fraction whose denominator is in power of 10. So this is decimal fraction. We can convert into the other fraction like as vulgar fraction, means we simplify this. 25, this is divisible by 25 one time, and the denominator 25 4 ja. So we can write 25% means 1 out of 4. 25%. Consider you have 200 rupees and someone asking from this rupees 25%. So you give 1/4 of this amount, 1/4 of 200. So the result is 4 5s are 20, 50. That is 50 rupees. You have to pay 50 rupees, 25% of this number. Consider 12.5% and convert this. This is decimal, percentage in decimal, here 12.5%. So you know very well that percent means out of 100. So you convert 12.5 and this number, and percent means out of 100. So this is 12.5 out of 100. The result will be, what is the value of 12.5? When you convert 12.5 in the fraction, so 125 upon 10. Why? because 12.5 this is decimal form and we multiply by 10 in numerator to make the numerator whole and denominator also we multiply. Either you cut this and this or multiply by 10 into 10, the result will be same. So 125 upon 10 ones are 10. So we write at the place of 12.5 125 upon 10 and divide by 100. This can be written as 12.5 125 upon 10 and this value 12.5 upon 100. It means 12.5 and upon means divide by 100. So we can write what is the value of 12.5 in the fraction form 125 by 10. So we write 125 upon 10 and this is divide by 100. It means when we divide one number by the other number, so we convert the divide into the multiply and then write the reciprocal of this number means 1 upon 100. So what is the value? The product of now two fraction we get 125 upon 10 into 1 upon 100. The result is 125 ones are 125 and divide by 100 into 10, that is 1000. So ultimately we get 125, this will be whole, then divide by 10 and 10 into 100 is 1000. So 12.5% means 125 upon 1000. Or you can also convert from here 125 upon 10%. So this is 12.5 means 125 upon 10%, which is equal to 125 upon 10 and divide by 100 because percent is there. So divide will convert into multiply upon 10 into 1 upon 100. The result is 125 upon 1000. So I think that in decimal fraction, in decimal number, if the percentage in decimal you can convert into the fraction form. Other question, convert percent into the fraction. This is simple. To convert the 10% into the fraction, 10% means 10 upon 100. So the result will be either 10 upon 100 you write or 1 upon 10. 10 ones are and 10 tens are. Similarly 10.25 given. So how will you convert this much percent into the fraction? So how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. So we convert 10 to 5 and divide by 100. This is already divide by 100. This much percent because 10.25% we can write 10.25, that is 10 to 5 upon 100%, and now this is 10 to 5 upon 100 into this percent will be divide by 100. Divide by 100. So the value is 1025 upon 100 into 1 upon 100. The value is 1025 upon 4 times 0. This is answer. So this is the fraction form of this percent. What is the 0.5% in fraction form? So 0.5% means 0.5 upon 100. And we write here 0.5 will be, or you multiply by 10 to make the whole 5 by 1000, because here is 0.5 means 5 upon 10. So when we multiply 100 into 10, the result will be 1000. So 5 by 1000. What is the value of 0.2%? So 0.2 upon 100, or you write 2 upon, this is 10, 2 0.2% means either you write 0.2 upon 100 or 2 upon how many decimal place 1, so 10 multiply here, so 1000. What is the value of 0.02%? So how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. So convert this 2 upon 100%. This is 2 upon 100% means 2 upon 10,000. This is the or 1 upon 5,000. This is decimal fraction. Now second, to convert fraction into percent. To convert fraction into percent, consider the fraction is 2 upon 5. Fraction is given 2 upon 5 and we want to convert into the percent. So there are various methods to convert the fraction into percent. Either we multiply by 100 or to make the denominator 100. By which number we multiply here, the result will be 100. So 5 into 20, which is equal to 22 ja 40 upon 5, 25 ja 100. So which is equal to 40 out of 100 means 40%. If there is a number whose denominator is 100, so we write 40% because 40 out of 100, 30 out of 100 means 30%. So this is first method. And the second method, if we don't know how which number we multiply in denominator to make in percent, consider 1 upon 3. So this here is problem, by which number we multiply here, the denominator will be 100. So it is not clear, so that's why we multiply directly by 100 upon 100. So 100 upon 100 means 100%. So directly we write at the place of 100 upon 100, 100%, 1 upon 3 into 100%. And then we simplify 100 upon 3%, which is equal to 33 whole 1 upon 3%. Similarly, second method also, 2 upon 5 multiply by 100%. 100% means 1, that is 100 into 100, 100 upon 100. So 2 upon 5, either we multiply by 20 in numerator and denominator to make the denominator 100, or we just multiply by 100% in any number. So it will be 5 2 ja 10 and 20. 22 ja 40%. This is 2 upon 5, convert this fraction into the percentage. So just we multiply 100 into percent, 100%. Next, now convert 7 upon 10 into percent. So either we multiply by 10 to make the denominator 100, so it will be 70 out of 100, that is 70%, or just we multiply 100%, which is equal to 10 tens are 100, here also 70%. Similarly, when we want to convert any number into the percentage, just we multiply by 100%. So it is clear that fraction into percent, when we multiply any fraction into the percent, just we multiply by 100% or make the denominator 100. Next, third one, to convert a percent into the decimal. How we convert any percentage into the decimal? So it is very simple, like as 5%. So this is in percentage and we want to convert this percent into the decimal form. So what is the, first we convert the percent into the fraction and then convert into the decimal form. What is the value of 5%? 5 upon 100, which is equal to 5 divided by 100, point, that is 50, once again 0, that is 500, 100 5s are 500. And you also know very well when there is decimal fraction and the number of 0 indicate how many decimal place we move left side, because when we divide by any number the value of that number is decreasing. Here 5 by 100 means 0 point how many decimal place? 2 decimal place. What is the value of 25%? 25% means 25 by 100, and now we convert the percentage into the fraction and ultimately it will be 0.25. Other method, 25 by 100, this means 1 upon 4, 25 by 100, and when we divide 1 divided by 4, then here will be decimal, here will be 10, 4 2s are 8, and then 2, 20, and 4 5s are 20. So here we can also find the percentage into the decimal form, 0.25. The 1 by 4 we convert, this is a rational number, and rational number also convert into the either terminating decimal or non-terminating but repeating decimal. So this is second question, that convert any percentage into the decimal form. Consider 10%. So what is the value of 10% in the decimal form? 10 upon 100. The value will be 10 upon 100 means 0.10, 2 decimal place, or we can write 0.1 because we can write so many 0 after the decimal place when the significant figure finish. So we can write so many 0. So we can write here 0.10 means 0.1. Now convert this decimal into the fraction. So what we will do? 0.1. So I tell you, first of all, if there is any number or any fraction and we want to convert into the percentage, just we multiply by 100%. So 0.1 into 100 upon 100 means 100%. So what is the value? 0.1 into 100. So 1 0 it will take to make the 1, and then 10 remain. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So 10%. So 0.1 means 10%, or 10% means next. Next, fourth one. So it is clear that to convert percent into the fraction, we convert percent divide by 100 out of 100. 5%, 5 out of 100. Similarly, convert fraction into percent. So fraction multiply by 100%. Consider 2 upon 5, convert into the percentage, so into 100%. So it will be 5 to the 10, so 22 is a 40%. Similarly, third one also, percent into the decimal form. So percent, when we convert any number into the any percent into the fraction, so it will be decimal fraction, and we convert into the decimal form, like as 50%. So we can write 50 upon 100, and this will be 0.50. Next, to convert a decimal into percent. So decimal is any number, consider 0.50 this number, and we want to convert into, okay, so 0.50 this is in decimal, and we convert a decimal into percent. So what is the value of 0.50 into percent. I tell you in starting that if any number is there and we convert into that number into the percent, so just we multiply by 100%. So 0.50 into 100%. So what is the value when we multiply 0.50 into 100? Then after multiplying, the result will be 50.00. So the value is 50%. 50% means 0.50, and directly we convert into the 0.50. Either you multiply by 100% or you convert into the fraction. So 50 upon 100, 0.50, 50 upon 100. So we convert into the fraction into the percentage. So 50 upon 100, so 50%. Directly any decimal number, just you multiply 100%, the result will be in percentage. Okay, so here we discuss these topics, how we convert the percentage into the fraction, fraction into percentage, percentage into decimals, decimal into percentage. Now next topic, fifth topic is convert the ratio into the percent. So ratio means just as a fraction. Consider 1:2. Convert this ratio into the percentage. So ratio 1:2 means 1/2. This is fraction. So convert the ratio into the fraction and then just multiply by 100%. So the result will be 50%. Or convert this 1:2 into the fraction and make the denominator 100. Either we multiply 50 in numerator and denominator, or just we multiply by 100%. So here will be 50 upon 100, which is also equal to 50%. So this is also to convert the ratio into the percent. So these 5 topics we already learned. So on these topics, on basis of these topics, the assignment is given here. So convert each of the following into fraction. This first one 68%, second is 3 whole 1/3%, third one 224%, and fourth one 0.05%. Similarly here, convert each of the following into percentage. Here 2/15, convert this fraction into the percent. So just we multiply by 100% in all fraction and we will get this fraction into the percentage. So 9/40, next one 1/2/3, and fourth one 2/2/5. Next, third one, express each of the following decimals as percentage. So the number is given, decimal number, and we also learn to convert any number, either the number is in decimal or in fraction, just we multiply by 100% and we get this 0.2 into 100%. So the result will be, you know very well, 0.06. Convert this also into the percentage, and 0.008, this also convert into the percentage. Next, fourth one, express each of the following percentage as a decimal. So the number is given 25%, you have to convert into the percentage, and 4%, 3 whole 1/5%, and 0.3%. Next, fifth one, express following ratios as percentage. So 2:5, 13:20, 6 whole 1/4 ratio, 4 whole 3/8, and convert these ratio into the fraction and then convert into the percentage. So 5 topic we already discussed, and next 5 topic, that is 6th topic, to find one quantity as percentage of the other quantity. Example, that express 15 kg as a percent of 75 kg. So 15 out of 75. Convert the 15 kg as percent of 75 kg. So this is in fraction, 15 out of 75, and just we multiply 100%, then we will get the result. So we will discuss in next videos. And next, seventh one, to find a percentage of a quantity. How we convert 50% of any number? Consider 50% of 2000. So we also discuss this seventh topic. And 8%. Next point is percentage increase or decrease. Consider your mark in maths is 80 out of 100. So if in next you get 75 mark, so how many percentage decrease? Or in 80 mark you get, and after 1 month next test you get 95 or 75. So how many percentage increase or decrease in your mark? So this also we will discuss in next lecture. Percentage change. So percentage change means percentage increase or decrease. And next 10th point is error percent. Consider your mark in math is 85 and anyone read it 65. So how many error, and find the error percent. So we will discuss on this point in next lecture. So try to solve this question related to these points, and we will further discuss in next lecture. Thank you.